Welcome to Technia TV. I am Jagrati Basera, faculty of BJMC from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on radio jockeying and news reading. Today's topic is sound recording equipments. There are n numbers of equipments we use in the while recording the sound. Indicating lamp. A sound recording studio require our indicating lamp, which is color in red, in the booth but operate by the control room as a cue to the voice artist to start a program. This indicating key to activate a similar red light in the studio to start program from the studio. As similar as a red lamp outside the studio also glow as a warning signal for outsider that the studio is now live. Next is microphones. The primary source of audio is any broadcast studio is the microphone. It is an indispensable device for audio recording studio. Microphone, mic for short, is a device which converts sound into electrical signal. These electrical signals are further amplified and produced in succeeding stage of the broadcast change. There are different kinds of microphones such as omnidirectional, bidirectional, unidirectional microphones to suit different occasion, place and purposes. Next is audio mixer, or it can be say as a console. It is an audio mixer which combine the program sources of a studio and give out the composite program from the booth to the control room. Audio mixer is a generic term for the sound recording console. Professional audio mixer for studio recording are available with 10 channels to more than 40 channels, which may facilitates for handling the sound signals such as fader, equalizer, artificial reverb controller, amplifier, mixer, talk back and filter. An audio mixer can be understood as an equipment to which all the sources, microphones, computer, CD player, speaker, amplifiers, etc. in the studio and sound recording booth are connected, and from which the selected sources at any time can be passed on the succeeding stage of the broadcast chain or for other purposes like monitoring, recording, editing, etc. Monitoring system for accomplishing a proper recording and to ensure that the equipments in operation are functioning properly. A good professional monitoring system is essential. It consists of all the amplifier and loudspeaker. Amplifier is an electronic device by which sound signal level can be increased. Loudspeaker converts electrical signal from amplifier to sound waves for listening. The audio mixer gives output for feeding to the amplifier, and this output from the mixer is called monitoring output. For understanding the sensitive point in the sound, to appreciate perspective, sound balance, quality, professional setup of high quality amplifier with a very well designed loudspeaker is required. Next is recording system, which is digital. Computer system having sound recording software and sound playing software like QuickTime Player, VLC player, etc. and playback facilities for pre-recording material, CDs, DVDs, hard disk, tape disc, cassettes, deck, etc. Some of the editing softwares are Nurando, SoundForge, Cool Edit Pro are the few names of the software which are commonly used by the professional sound recording studio. So that's all for today. For watching more videos, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you and have a nice day.